Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to share your Facebook post on the Instagram automatically. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly open the Instagram. So after this you can see profile pictures at the bottom right corner. So click on it and then click on three lines on the top right corner. So after this click on account center and then you can see sharing across profile. So click on it and then click on Facebook. So after this you can see uh, your Facebook post. So click on it and turn it on. So you can see when you will turn it on, your Facebook post will automatically share to your Instagram account. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.